Guys, here is your Econoline trailer. It's a 1988. It's 8 foot wide, 20 foot long. With that 20 foot, the dovetail is included. And that's 4 foot dovetail. Fold down ramps. These slides on the back here. It's got your brake flanges on. Both axles look like. It's got a 2 inch oak floor, looks like. One board is all, you could replace it or leave it probably. It's got a chain box up here. It's got your ring hitch on it. Got your safety chains. Jack working. It's also got a deal here where you can flip it and pull it out by hand, the bottom part of it here. You all know what them is. They'll mace your hands so you don't watch them. Don't put that in there. Got a good title on it. Put that in her box, Jack. That goes in the title.